Welcome back to my channel, Sheryl na naman! For today's video, I want to share with you on how I edit my photos using QR codes. You just only need these two apps, Pinterest and POLARR. But before we started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified in any videos that I get uploaded. Let's get started!
As what I've said earlier, you must have these two apps, but if you still don't have, install these apps. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. They are available in those stores and it's free. You must sign up first before doing this tutorial through your Gmail or Facebook. It depends on what you prefer as long as you can sign up. Since I already installed these two apps, we should go first to Pinterest and then go to search bar and search for POLARR filters code. Oops. It will show many filters code. Choose whatever you want to download. It depends on you. I choose this one. Go to the three dots in the upper right corner. Click it. Click download image. Wait until it stated image downloaded and go to the second app. We're done with the Pinterest. Select a photo you want to edit. Then go to this plus sign icon in the right corner, in the upper corner. Then click import QR code and select the one you downloaded earlier. The before and after. See the difference, right? Click save. And also the check. And lastly, go to the upload icon in the upper corner. Click it. And then click save new photo. Wait for it to save. And we're done. These are some of my edits. You can also click the filter you downloaded before. Choose whatever you want that it suits to the photo. See the before and after.